just finished up this Expedition box and we've made a couple of quick little changes because we've gone with the Custom Lithium batteries now. On the front, the usual, we've got the waterproof GPO, the inverter turn on, the BMV from Victron, brilliant bit of kit. We've got an Anderson in and out. We've got a solar connector. We've got the new mini Anderson. They're not that new, but we're starting to use them a little bit more. What it means is for the same sort of space as a SIG socket, you can get 4 outlets all rated to about 30 amps. So a brilliant bit of kit and gives you a bit more power out, and they click in and hold way better than a SIG socket. You've got a standard SIG socket up the top, 2 USBs there. I'll spin it around on the back. So you've got your car charging and your ignition, if you're using ignition, okay, only if you're using it. And then you've got another Anderson on the back, so you can plug your fridge into that or whatever, so that you don't see it sitting at the front. We've got a fan, as always, because it's a closed box, or pretty much a closed box. You need the fan to get the heat out when the inverter's running. All right, let's have a look inside. These boxes are brilliant, by the way. This is the Expedition 134s, Australian made, just like the batteries inside. They are a brilliant bit of kit. You can stand on them, kick them, punch them, carry them in your boat, carry them in your car. They're just so good. Get onto those. All right, inside, I'll get Linda to come a little bit closer. All right, so we've got the Custom Lithium battery in here. So this one here is a slim, a compact, and it can go up to 310 amp hours. That's right, 310 amp hours in this space, so that's brilliant. 2000 watt inverter, and that's all wired in and out through the front. There is a breaker down in here which comes on the front of the inverter, so that's a great bit of kit. We've got fusing, we've got a main fuse, the shunt's hidden down in the bottom there. We've got a BC-DC core 40 to keep the charging going, and the solar, all the wiring you need, and the fan on the back. The fan switched from temperature, so the temperature's sitting up here on the main fuse, and it's switched with the relay on the back of the BMV. So it reaches the temperature, we set about 47 degrees, and then it turns off again at about 30 degrees, which is about ambient, you know, so you can adjust that up and down. But what we want to do is, if it gets really hot, we want to shoot out the air, cool it down a little bit, and then she turns off so you're not hearing fans all night. All right, so that's the Expedition box with a couple of changes just to make it go. And you guys give us a call or come and talk to us here at Leach's Road in Brendale. We also have a store now in Perth. You can go over there and talk to Grant. We can sort you out with a kit just like this, and you can put it in your car, in your van, in your boat, whatever. It's movable, it's portable, it's perfect for even power strikes and things like that. Give us a call and we'll look after you.